Hey guys, so the last time we were modding, we had just put in this code here, which generates our ore. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be creating armor. So, excuse me for that. The first thing we're going to do before anything else is open up MCP, go into bin, Minecraft, and then items, and you're going to copy your armor, gray boots, gray leggings, gray body, and gray helmet right into there. And, oh, meant to copy. Paste it in there. And then we're going to go back and create a new folder called armor. This is where we're going to paste our gray _1 and gray _2. You can copy those and paste them in there. Now we can go ahead, I'm going to do this because it's quicker, and copy these two, go to Eclipse, Client, Bin, and then paste, and then skip those files, and we're all good to get going. Alright, so we're going to open up this. I'm going to come over here, source, and then Minecraft source, and then new class. We call it mod _ black armor. Alright, so once again, just like always, delete all that, and then we're going to go ahead and open mod name armor. So copy all this, paste it in there. So this is mod black armor, and down here 1.4.7, and then 1.4.7. You don't need to change that, it doesn't affect anything, but I always do. It tells which version it is. Now next up, we're going to come over here and we're going to get this. This is the public static armor. Copy this, and just like how where we always paste it, I believe we paste it right here. So let me check with the other ones. No, we copy it underneath that bracket there. So return once, paste them all there. Now we have to create a new enum armor material. So we go over here, we click there and hit E and find enum armor material. So enum armor material, and we do the same thing as before. We do black, and then we're gonna do diamonds the strongest at 33, so I'm gonna do 35. Then you do new int that curly bracket your number, so there's 1 2 2 3. I'm gonna do 4. Then 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Then we're doing, excuse me, there are these numbers 3 5 6 5 8. I'm gonna go with 10 to make it the strongest again. Once again, if you want to know what all these mean, you can scroll down here. Now the next number is 2 4 5 3 6. I'm gonna go 8, and then I'm gonna do 3 with the end curling bracket, a comma, and then enchantability I'm gonna do 30. So that'll fix that. And now we can go back over here. Just give me a second, I need to go do something. Alright, I'm back. So we're gonna be editing our public static files. So right here, I'm gonna name this black body. Go over here, rename this black helmet, then black pants and black boots. Okay, so now we're going to change this to our enum armor material, which was black, just like our enum tool material, and then black, black. I'm getting a little tired of saying this. And then black again. Alright, now you just put the name there, so I'm going to do black chest plate. I always call it that, probably because of Oblivion. Then black helmet, black leggings, I always mess up and do that, and then black boots. Alright, now in this public void load, this is where we're going to do all the heavy lifting, and this is the most code we've seen so far, so you can copy that and paste it in here. Now this is going to take a while, so just bear with me, and you can pause the video, skip ahead if you want. Just do whatever you need to do. Alright, so now that we're over here at this crafting recipe, it requires dirt because it hasn't been notified that our mod is using it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this. We're going to do mod underscore black dot, and then it'll give us all our things, that, and then boom. And just replace that, and we'll be all good. So that's what you need to do with all this. It's pretty explanatory, and I'm going to do the pictures in a minute. Alright, excuse me, I have something in my throat. Once again, we're down over here, and we're going to change this to mod underscore black dot black ingot. So we'll require the black ingot for the crafting recipe. Then I'm just going to do the crafting recipes real quick because that's nice and simple. Value, and you can have pretty much as many of those. You could have up to 9 different character values in a single thing, in a single recipe. Black ingot. And then change this now. Black pants. So in the comments below, put what you guys are doing for mod, and I'll look forward to seeing it sometime on the Minecraft forums or playing in Minecraft. Alright, already changed that, and now for this part. The boots, and then we're almost done. So black boots. This is the most code we've had to deal with, and I think it'll be the most we'll really ever have to deal with. Change this to mod underscore black dot black. And then, like always, I change stars to eyes because I don't like the stars. Alright, so now that we have all this done, I can come over here and look at this. So I named it gray helmet, gray body, gray leggings, and gray boots. So you can come over here. And this is the body. So I do gray body, gray helmet, gray leggings, once I finish this tutorial, I'm going to have all these files, all these sprites available for download so you guys can edit them and make it your own without having to go in and decompile it. So now this, you see right here how this is gray_1 and that's gray_2. The name of this armor is gray. So now this should be all good. I'm just going to save it. We have no errors, which is nice. And run the game. Opened up 2. Oh, I might have gotten an error. Let's see what okay, so I got an error, items gray body. Oh, I messed up on the spelling of it again. I used an E instead of an A. Gray. Okay. Now we should be all good. I'm just gonna go ahead, close this, and run Minecraft. We should be all good. I don't know why we'd get any errors. And we did. What happened this time? Once again, spelling error. See, these are the little things you have to watch out for, and if you do those right, you'll be all good. So, once again, gonna save and run it. Now we should be all good. Now that we got all the errors out of the way. Should launch up. Found all of them. Oh. Let's see what went wrong this time. Items, image not found. I thought I changed it. Alright, well, I'll be back in a second when I found out what I did wrong. Alright, so I found out my error is just another spelling error. So we can go into New World, the world we've been messing around in. Put my game mode back on creative. Go in here and look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Pants 2. Alright, so now we can put them on just like regular. And game mode S. And we have full armor as strong as diamond. Actually stronger. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I believe I'm going to be going over how to smelt this black ore block and maybe some other stuff. So stick around for the next tutorial. Thanks.